you attend just 1 day of private training and hit the road, what will happen? Crash! Then, how can you become option trader by just attending 3 to 4 hours or day or 2-day training? Any skill takes time to master, and that's why Quantsa, India's largest option analytics platform, brings you 3-month complete option trading program. This program will teach you in step-by-step manner how to trade options in right way. In this program, you will learn 12 practical trading styles: option buying, option selling, intraday option trading, positional option trading, volatility option trading, and much more. This is designed to make you skilled option trader. If you are a beginner, worry not, because with this program, you will get 15 hours of recorded primer. This will help you build your option basics foundation. So stop attending random courses. Join us in our complete option trading program.